Take 3, heading to cash, I think. But this time I figured out how to shop off my Google Maps since I noticed it was going off while I was trying to do the other 2 videos. That's a stand. That's what you would think that I should have on my dash when I got maps going on.
Yeah. That's why I'm looking putting my down too. Is this one too?
That's for a desk. Oh, the wait, it's a clip.
Yeah.
So it depends if you can clip anything on your dash. Like, can you clip something like that onto your dash?
No, I need to put it. That's a normal hiccup.
It actually is happening during. Nothing has been working.
Secret everything. What's that?
It's okay, it's not a bad thing. Just get one video.
Well, that's why I've been making videos and just posting them. Why not have fun with it while I can? Oh, that's a...
The records, he had the hiccup for 7 years.
Well, I get them all the time, every day basically. Little things can trigger them. And it's been going on for at least 5 years.
Really?
Yes. And I even got checked out by the doctor. They found nothing. So, not sure what's the problem. Just been dealing with it. Thank you.
Okay,
That's a charging pad.
that's good or not?
I don't know. It just says wireless charging pad.
Let's have one like that. What's that?
I thought you were heading to cash.
Hold the support. Put your phone on it.
Yeah, that's a phone support. That's what it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Hey, where are we going now?
To the moon.
That doesn't look like the moon. Yeah, let's check out. Someone wants to get by. Didn't you grab the enough munchies? For the road, eh? For the road. Are you doing self-checkout? Or are you going? Or you want to go to the counter?
Yeah, I better go.
She'll do it for you. Yes. Oh yeah, I got your bank card.
Yeah, you got my card.
You need a bag?
I got my bag.
Voila. Kids, you can only tap so much. You gotta. No, that you already paid. Not quite with the program.
Please take your items. Thank you for shopping at Dollarama.
I'm now leaving the store. And this was interesting. Hopefully everybody enjoyed. Have a great day.